Good afternoon, everyone. Gabe Velazquez here with you, transparenttradeSolutions.com on a Tuesday. This is 22nd April. Market's having a big rebound here. Um, just back and forth. By the way, these type of moves are very common in bear markets, so it shouldn't be a big surprise. Let's get right into the charts. Again, I have a class coming up on Thursday, and if you haven't signed up yet, I'm going to be talking about implied volatility. You can take advantage of this in two different ways. So I'll be explaining that in the class. So go ahead and sign up for that. Let's go ahead into charts. Now, one of the things that's a little bit tricky right now is we had that huge rally starting from yesterday, which came out of nowhere, really. There were no levels per se that, again, you could probably go into a very, very small time frame and find something in retrospect. But we still basically are just right where we were. We had this huge sell-off yesterday. We're capturing most of it today. Again, back and forth, back and forth. I would still call overall just say we're kind of just range trading. What's missing today is the semis. If you take a look at some of the semiconductor stocks like Nvidia can't even get above 100. Apple, obviously had a big rally. It's rallied about 10 points. Can't get above 200. Avago's starting to pick up a little bit here. Dollar Gen, which we're in, by the way, in our group here, we bought that somewhere down along in the mid 80s. So we're doing well on that. And maybe I think if we can get Avago back and these stocks going, I think that will be good. Also, gold. So nothing we're talking about on the average is really Bitcoin decoupled now, not having any. Obviously today everything's up, but it'll be interesting to see if the next sell-off, if Bitcoin sells off, or like it has been in the last few days, it hasn't sold off. So maybe it's again decoupling from the Nasdaq. We'll have to see on the next pullback. When the market pulls back, we'll see what happens there. It broke above 90K, so I think it's got a shot at 100K now. There's all kinds of ways to play that IBIT. There's not really any levels on the futures market. Dollar also starting to pick up a little bit here, coming off the mat. And gold, I think, is blowing off. We're looking for some shorts in gold. You can see, and then there's some gold stocks that I'm looking at here. This could be the blow off top in gold. We still don't have any levels, but this is something you might want to look at. Everything else really just kind of meandering about. Not a lot going on, but I think it's all predicated on the semis. I think if the semis can get going, I think we can have a little bit more to the upside on the NASDAQ. First area I would, again, there's not a ton of levels that you see other than this big gap up here at about 19K on the NASDAQ. I think we could go there. We'll have to see. But again, we can't get there unless we have some of these mega caps like Apple, Nvidia, and so forth starting to rally here. So we'll see how that goes. Again, sign up for the newsletter. Sign up for the class. Give me a thumbs up and put some commentary in the chat. And I will see you next Friday. Take care.